Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hello Kitty. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing her bow. Draw a circle on the top right of the page here. Now draw the right side of the bow like this on an angle. Do the same thing on the left side, but make this one slightly bigger. Now inside of each side, draw a semicircle. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. From the bottom right of the bow, draw a curved line down and in. Then draw the left side of the head in the same way, but start a bit higher up. Now connect them at the bottom. Next, from the left side of the bow, draw a curved line across. Now draw the ear with the curved V shape here. And draw the other ear in the same way above the bow. Let's draw her face now. Draw two black ovals for the eyes. Now just below the eyes, in the center here, draw an oval for the nose. Next, draw three whiskers on either side. The top and bottom whiskers should be slightly curved, and the middle one more straight. Let's draw the body now. Draw a U shape under the head in the center. Move over to the left and draw a diagonal line down and then curve it in. And do the same thing on the other side. Next, draw a straight line in the middle. And then draw curved lines at the bottom to close off the legs. Next, draw lines across her legs here. Let's draw her arms and hands now. Draw a curved line down on the right. And then a bump for her thumb. And add one more curve back to the side of the body. Lastly, add a line across for her sleeve. Now do the same thing on the other side. And that's it for Hello Kitty. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.